Hello, welcome back to the Asa Burley channel. I'm super excited you're here this evening. Today we have another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be about cleaning your makeup brushes properly, and then also how to clean and sanitize makeup packages. Super excited. Let's get started. All right. So here is one of my makeup kits, and this holds all my makeup brushes. And also my makeup beauty blenders and sponges. So it's a little dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so let's get cleaning and sanitizing. I'm at my kitchen sink. I'm here because I have lots of counter space, and I have a pretty deep sink and lots of lighting to make sure that I see that my tools have been properly cleaned. The equipment that we're going to use today, first is a makeup brush silicone mat. I'm going to use bar soap, my favorite soap, Dial soap. And I have Q-tips. Also behind me, you will see I've placed paper towel to place my clean brushes on to dry on the countertop. And I do this because I don't want them to lose their shape after washing them. So let's turn on the warm water for the sink. How am I going to do this? I'm going to start with my highlighter brush, and I'm just going to run warm water along the bristle. I do not want to submerge the brush in the water because I do not want to create any kind of bacteria to go under the holder of the bristles and create germs that live in my brush that would be then placed onto my face. Then I'm going to lather up my soap into my hand. I'm going to place some of that soap lather on my brush. Put some of the soap onto the brush itself. And then I'm going to take my silicone brush mat and kind of scrub. Rinse the silicone mat and actually the brush itself. See if there's any more suds. Squeeze the bristles on the brush. Fan the brush out a little bit. Clean the handle a little bit. Then place onto the paper towel to dry. All right, let's repeat. I'm really scrubbing the brush onto the brush silicone mat, creating suds. Rinse the mat, scrub again. I'm rinsing the mat again. I'm going to scrub, but then I'm going to scrub while under the sink water to really rinse out that brush. Clean the handle a little bit. Again, I do not want to submerge my brush into the water. I'm squeezing the excess water off the brush. Fanning it a little bit. Place it to dry. About this silicone makeup brush mat is that first it has a handle where I can place my hand under so I can have a nice grip. Oh, don't want to waste water. I have a handle so I can place my hand under. I have a nice grip. And then all the different texture of nubs are perfect. So I have the large nubs for large brushes, medium cross nubs for medium-sized brushes, and then little tiny nubs for small brushes. So for a brush like this, I'm going to use the center and the tiny nubs. Spoolies, how I clean my spoolies. I see, I lather up the soap into my hand and just massage the spoolies. These become clean rather quickly. Alright, so the main reason why I started using bar soap is because I researched several ways to properly clean your makeup sponges as much as possible. At first, I did purchase particular makeup cleaner and that did not work. I used dishwashing liquid, body wash, shampoo, face wash, all of it. And honestly, bar soap has gave me the best results. So here are my very filthy makeup sponges. So let's see what they look like now. Small, medium, large. All right, let's get to cleaning. I just lather as much soap as possible I can. The first round on the makeup sponge. And I really just massage it into the sponge. And I just really work in that soap throughout the sponge. Wow, this sponge actually got clean rapidly. Almost looks brand new. Wow, this is remarkable. Look how clean it is. This is remarkable. Soap. Oh my goodness. It is amazing. Look. It gets complicated. We have the eyebrow sharpener. I'm going to take a Q-tip. Guess I'll take two. I'm going to lather the soap onto the Q-tip and really work in there. Now it's time to clean the inside. Just gonna take an old rag, soap, make sure you get into those corners. Those corners are hard to get to, but don't be lazy. Get into those corners. Take my Q-tip again. Soap and water. Turn it off. I'm serious about getting those corners. And you know what I'm gonna do? Just gonna wipe just the outer level, the outer layer. This makeup kit just with water. Allow to dry. Now I'm going to teach you how to clean your makeup packages. So first you're going to need 70% alcohol, a drying towel, a washing and sanitizing towel, and a second drying towel. Let's get started. And I want you to dry your sink as much as possible. I'm going to fold my towel. I'm only taking a little bit, sparingly, on the rag. I'm going to take my makeup packages and glide quickly to sanitize them. Now it's time to dry them and place them in their proper case. With me this evening, learning how to properly clean and sanitize your makeup brushes, your makeup packages, and even your makeup cases. Just a recap of where I received all of these items. My Dial soap, I actually purchased at the 99-cent only store. I purchased the makeup brush silicone mat at Walmart. I believe that it was less than $10. From Dasso, I actually purchased this cylinder of Q-tips for, I believe, $1.50. The towels I've received from 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, etc. Thank you so much. I had such a pleasure with you this evening. I hope you enjoyed this evening also. And until next time, have a wonderful weekend.